How to make a GIF for Discord. In this video, I'll show you how to make a GIF from a video, customize it, and share it in Discord in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the video or animation you want to turn into a GIF. You can either use a video file saved on your device or a video URL from a supported website. Next, open your web browser and visit jiffy.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up or log in. Once you're signed in, click the Create button at the top of the page. Now, upload your video file or paste the video URL. If needed, trim the video to keep only the part you want to turn into a GIF. When you're happy with the clip, click Continue to Create. You can now personalize your GIF by adding captions, changing the font style, adjusting the text color, or even adding stickers and filters. Once you've finished editing, then select Upload to Jiffy. Wait a few moments while your GIF is processed. After the upload is complete, open your new GIF and click Share. Then choose Copy GIF Link. Now, open Discord and paste the GIF link into any chat to share it with your friends. If you want quick access to the GIF later, hover over it in Discord and click the star icon to add it to your GIF favorites. The next time you want to use it, simply open the GIF picker, go to Favorites, and select your saved GIF. And that's it.